Can't
You
either.
will be. You'll be able to when you get the upgrade.
Oh, you can.
Yeah. This is Rosedale Rocket Fireworks live at Oakmont with Joe Sine, Jolie Gillis, Nicole Lundy, Julia Lundy, Sydney Sine, Sarah Sine, Sam, some friend of theirs I don't know, R.J. King, Michael Pugliese, the Rechtenwalds.
Where's Emily?
It makes me feel better every time someone asks me that, though.
I'm sorry.
That's Julie being rude before her wedding. This is going on YouTube, so.
What?
Oh, I can't see you. You're lucky.
Can't see me, see?
No, not enough light.
It'd be a big black blob. Are you putting these on YouTube?
Yeah, right now, but I can't.